Hi, it's me again, Veronica. And guess what arrived today? Is a package, ta-da! From my friend. Bien, thank you very much. It arrived finally. Thank you. I already sanitized it, but I can kiss it. So, let's open it. I'm so excited already to open this. So, just a teacup set. You just Dan, you're such an angel. Really, I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy that you are my friend. And you know that I can't pay you. So I'm gonna pay it forward. I know of someone who deserves also me to share something to her. Um, yeah, I'm gonna pay it forward. I won't say to whom I will pay forward, okay? I just know someone who's in need of help also right now. One cup, the saucer. Wait, let me open this box. Wow, it's a wooden box. It's a wooden box. Expensive stuff comes in wooden boxes, isn't it? Oh my god! No! You make me cry. Thank you so much, Bill. Hindi ko pa nabuksan pa. It's so much. It says here, happy birthday! Thank you so much! Thank you. This is more than happy birthday to me. It's Merry Christmas too. Happy New Year and Happy Valentine's. Oh my god! You really know me. So cute, so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh, look at that. So lovely. It matches my designer. I'll show you. Oh, this alone is so much already. Plus this. Oh my god! It makes me cry. Isn't that lovely? Oh my god! And it comes with, of course. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. How cute. Oh god. Bien, thank you so much. You make me cry. Oh, this is a Chinese style. This is not the English style teapot because it's like a bowl. See? Look at this side. Inside. This is so little. It matches my dress. Bien, you're awesome friend. Indeed. Thank you so much. So that's about it. The unboxing of this beautiful gift. Thank you, Bien, for you. I'm just gonna pay it forward, okay? I can't pay you. I love you, Bien.